I thought the forest was bad, but this place
came up from the attic.
is hunting me. It moves like smoke and screams like metal tearing. If I stop, I'm gone. So
OpenAI has just launched free access to new video model named Sora 2. The output AI videos from this model is amazing. You can generate 10 seconds video with perfect motion, style, effects, and voiceover with just a single text prompt. I will show you step by step how you can access it for 100% free. Firstly, from your Google browser click to then extensions, and then click to visit to Chrome Web Store and find Browsec VPN and add extension to your browser. After added, activate it and set its location to USA. Now, you will come to Sora.com, and to access Sora 2, ensure your location is set to the USA, either by being physically present or using a VPN as I just showed. After come to this home page, click on Login button. And then click on Sign up for free. Now click on Continue to Google button for easy login. Set your username. Now we need to put invitation code here. So come to this website and click on to get your invite code button. Then click on Deal button. Sometimes it may fail to generate code due to heavy demand. When you will get a code, copy that code and paste that code to Sora's invite box. If invite shows not working, then try this process again. I have a giveaway for my viewers. I have many invite codes in my Sora accounts. You need to watch this full video and find an invite code from this video and write that code into comment. Then I will reply a fresh invitation code for first 20 persons. Here we have get our new Sora 2 AI video generator free. Sora 2 AI is truly incredible as well as insane. Just give a one-line prompt and Sora will do the rest. Let's see how to create your first AI video in Sora 2 with a simple line prompt. Stay connected till the end and find the invitation code from this video. Write that code into comment, then I will reply a fresh invitation code for first 20 persons as I have many invite codes in my Sora accounts. Write this invitation code into comment, then I will reply a fresh invitation code for first 20 persons as I have many invite codes in my few Sora accounts.
It watched her from the dark, the way a predator watches a pulse. Every step closer, the air grew colder and thinner. She was the last heartbeat in the corridor.
Whoa! Look at all the sparkly marbles!
This one looks like a tiny rainbow. Let me see.
It's so shiny!
Let's bring them to the bridge and see how they roll.
Adventure time!
I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel.